Hello, hello, hello. I'm Kim, your positive shift navigator. Welcome to Know Your Crystals. Get that focused there. Yeah. Pietersite, the stone of storm and transformation. Pietersite, also known as the Tempest Stone, with its swirling patterns of deep blue, gold, and brown. This rare crystal captures the energy of a storm, bringing transformation and insight. A stone of vision and personal power, Pietersite helps break through illusions, clear mental fog, and ignite deep inner strength. It enhances intuition, clears old emotional blockages, and fuels spiritual awakening. It is connected to the solar plexus and third eye chakras. Pietersite activates willpower, deepens intuition, and strengthens your ability to navigate life's storms with confidence and clarity. This rare and powerful crystal is found primarily in Namibia and China, making it one of the most unique and sought-after stones in the world. It's recommended to place it on your third eye chakra when meditating to fully unlock its capabilities. Holding or wearing it helps you feel that your dreams are in grasp. Whether you seek clarity, courage, or spiritual awakening, Pietersite is your guide to unlocking your inner power and embracing change. Are you ready to step into your power? If you like this video, hit the like button below. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to ask. And I look forward to seeing you in the next episode of Know Your Crystals.